Let me quickly talk to you about the top 10 business credit cards with insane rewards, no annual fee, and a decent APR. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sort of Kiwi Show. How are you today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous, if you were to ask me. If you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. In today's conversation, I want to talk to you about the top 10 business credit cards with insane rewards, no annual fee, and a decent APR. Okay, number 10, folks, we have here. KeyBank Business Card. Our score is 7.5 over 10. So with this is a card that allows you as a cardholder to manage and track expenses with ease. We love that. And you basically, and this card is also great in terms of helping you manage your cash flows. Okay, we love that. So the APR is 0% for the first 6 billing cycles on purchases and balance transfers. And the regular APR is variable. It goes from 10.99 to 20.99%. And there's no annual fee, of course. And you have fraud protection, zero liability, zero cost. And the balance transfer fee can be either $10 or 4% of the amount of each transaction, whichever is greater. And the late payment fee up to $39. And you do have an overdraft protection fee here. We love that, $10. And the minimum interest charge, if you are charged interest, the charge will be no less than 50 cents. Okay. And if you have they have a 24/7 lost and stolen reporting program. You just have to call 1-888 key for biz. Okay, and we love the fact that with this card you can enjoy all the perks that come with being part of the MasterCard Business Network. You have business software discounts, so you have a discount for software including QuickBooks, TurboTax, and Intuit Payroll. This is kind of cool. You have cybersecurity and ID theft protection, and this is really good. You have car rental insurance and travel benefits. So our score for the KeyBank Business Card is 7.5 over 10. Number 9, folks, we have here TD Business Solutions Card. Our score 8 over 10. With this card, you can earn up to 2% cashback rewards. Okay, when you redeem into an eligible TD bank deposit account, you can earn 1% cashback on purchases. Plus, you can earn 1% cashback when you redeem them into an eligible TD bank account. You can earn $250 cashback in the form of a statement credit when you spend $1,500 within the first 90 days after account opening. Okay, and you can earn unlimited cashback. There is no rotating category, no caps or limits, as long as your credit card account is open and in good standing. And we love the fact that with the TD Business Solutions credit card, you have reasonable fees. Okay, the APR will range from 13.99% to 23.99%. The APR for balance transfers is similar. It has a similar range, and the balance transfer fee $5 or 3% of the transfer, whichever amount is greater, and minimum interest charge $1. The APR for cash advances 25.24%. Okay, and the cash advance fee $10 or 5% of the advance, whichever amount is greater. So overall, this is a great card. And they do have a foreign transaction fee though, so you really need to be very careful about not using the card overseas or on foreign websites. Number 8, folks, we have here the Truist Business Card. Our score 8 over 10. This is a great card, folks. You have no annual fee, of course, 0% intro APR on purchases for 12 months after account opening, and then you have a regular APR that goes from 10% to 19%. This is really good. And so this is a card that allows you to add authorized cardholders at no additional charge. You have digital account management with Truist Online Banking and Truist Easy Business. You have Intuit QuickBooks integration. You have contactless payments. You can link your checking and credit accounts to add overdraft protection. This is really good. You have Visa zero liability protection, and you have additional Visa benefits. So overall, this is a great card for you. And again, they have a decent, we love the fact that they have a 0% intro APR for the first 12 billing cycles. After that, your APR will go from 10 to 19%. And your APR, of course, will be based on your credit worthiness. Okay, very, very important. And what we love with Truist is that they are constantly innovating. So if you currently do business with Truist or planning to do business with Truist, you might want to consider the Truist Business Credit Card. Fantastic card. Number 7, folks, we have a Capital One Spark 1.5% cash select. Our score 8.5 over 10. So when we talk about the rewards business credit cards, this is a great contender. Okay, this card allows you to carry a balance with intro APR. This is important to remember because Capital One has other cards where you cannot carry a balance. This is a card that's similar to Amex cards where you have to pay the full balance. But this one that I'm talking to you today about, the Capital One Spark 1.5% cash select, you can carry a balance. Okay, so you have $0 annual fee, of course. You have 0% introductory APR for the first 12 months. Okay, so rewards are unlimited, 1.5% cash back on every purchase with no minimums or expiration date. This is really good. You have purchase rates that goes from 15.99 to 23.99% variable after the intro APR period. Okay, what you want to do here is that when we think about, this is a card that you might want to consider if you want to set up auto pay so that you don't have to worry about signing into your accounts every month. You have $0 for liability. You have year-end summaries that are really, really good, really detailed. You have account managers, so you can assign actually an account manager to make purchases and payments, review transactions, and resolve any problem. And you have purchase records. You can quickly and securely download your purchase records into multiple formats, including Quicken, QuickBooks, and Excel. And you have virtual card numbers. We love that. And this is good if you're trying to make safer payments online without exposing your actual card number with merchants. Number 6, folks, we have a U.S. Bank Triple Cash Rewards Visa Business. And this is a great card. Our score 8.5 over 10. And so this is a great card, okay? And this card gives back on all your eligible business needs, if you think about it. And you have 3% cash back on eligible purchases at gas and EV charging stations, office supply stores, cell phone service providers, and restaurants. In addition, you can earn 1% cash back on all other eligible purchases. And the cool thing here is that there is no expiration or limits on the total rewards you can earn. This is just fantastic. How cool is that? Wonderful. You have $100 software credit. You can earn an annual $100 statement credit for recurring software subscription expenses such as FreshBooks or QuickBooks. And you have prepaid travel. You can earn 5% cash back on prepaid hotels and car rentals booked directly in the Travel Rewards Center. Okay. And you also have there's a limited time offer right now where you earn $500 in cash back. Just spend $4,500 on the account owner's card in the first 150 days. That's 5 months of opening your account. You have a 0% intro APR for balance transfers for 15 billing cycles. This is really good. And after that, the APR will range from 13.99% to 22.99%. And the card, of course, has no annual fee. And this is just fantastic. So the U.S. Bank Triple Cash Rewards Visa Business Card, 8.5 over 10. Number 5, folks, we have a Brex 30 card. Our score, 9 over 10. So Brex is kind of cool, especially if you are a small business or you are a startup. This is really good. You have a 50,000 sign-up bonus points after spending more than $9,000 in the first 90 days. Okay, Brex offers a corporate credit card designed to help companies boost their spending power and grow faster. You can get a 10x to 20x higher limits than traditional business credit cards while earning rewards and cashback on everything you spend, like 7x on rideshare and 2x on recurring software. So you can build business credit from day one with a card that's automatically paid monthly. Okay, so you have to pay the full balance every month. There's no credit check, no personal guarantee, no account fees, and no interest. How cool is that? That's just fantastic. You can save money and time with automatic receipt matching and built-in expense management tools to help you gain detailed insights on your spend. And you can issue unlimited virtual cards to your team. This is really good. And you can set custom limits on each card. You can also you can close the books in record time with QuickBooks, Xero, NetSuite, Concur, and Expensify integrations. Okay, and to get approved for a Brex card with monthly payments, businesses need a linked bank balance of at least $50,000. Okay, so this is something you need to think about. Number 4, folks, we have here Wells Fargo Business Platinum. Our score 9 over 10. So when you think about this is a great card. You can earn 1.5% cash back on qualifying purchases. the rewards points option, so you can earn 1 point on every dollar spent and receive $1,000 bonus points every billing cycle when you spend at least $1,000 on qualifying purchases, okay? And you do have a 0% intro rate for 9 months, for the first 9 months. So the good thing is that you can earn a one-time $300 cashback bonus or 30,000 bonus points when you select a business card rewards program and spend $3,000 in the first 3 months of account opening. Okay, and so this is great for businesses with annual sales that go all the way to $2 million. You can choose your rewards. We love that. You also you basically can choose whether you want to redeem cashback or rewards points. Okay, and businesses that need convenient way to manage everyday business expenses can also find this card very interesting. So we love the fact that this card has no annual fee, plus up to 99 employee cards with no additional fee. You have cash management tools. You have spending reports that are available online. Fantastic. And you have an online banking and bill payment options. So Wells Fargo Business Platinum, 9/10. Number 3, folks, we have here the PNC Cash Rewards Visa Signature Business Credit Card. Our score, 9.5/10. This is a great card, folks. This card is packed with a constellation of rewards with benefits. You can reward your business spending with cashback. You can earn 1.5% cashback on net purchases. You enjoy no limits on the amount of cashback you earn. This is really good. You can redeem cashback anytime as a statement credit or deposit cashback into an eligible PNC business checking or savings account. You can add employee cards at no cost and earn cashback on their business spendings too. So this is really cumulative. This is fantastic, okay? And you can earn a $200 bonus when you open and use a new PNC Cash Rewards Visa Signature Business Credit Card, okay? To qualify for this offer, you need to make at least $3,000 in qualifying net purchases using this card during the first 3 billing cycles following account opening. And so you have an introductory 0% APR for the first 9 billing cycles following account opening on purchases. Then you have a variable APR that goes from 10.99 to 19.99% based on your credit worthiness. Okay, and so what I want to say here, the card has obviously no annual fee, and in terms of balance transfers, you can this can be either a $5 or 3% of the amount of each balance transfer, whichever is greater. It's really cool, and we love the fact that you can actually you can use Account View to manage employee purchases and to monitor cash flow. You earn 1.5% cashback on net purchases. You can view your business credit card, your PNC business credit card spending by business category. We love that, and you can manage business risk. Fantastic. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Sorted Kiwi Show. We're also having a conversation about the top 10 business credit cards with insane rewards, no annual fee, and a decent APR. Number 2, folks, we have American Express Blue Business Plus, and our score at 9.5/10. And this is a card that allows you to earn 15,000 membership rewards points after you spend $3,000 in eligible purchases on the card within your first 3 months of card membership, okay? And so you have 2x points on all eligible purchases up to $50,000, 1x points on your other purchases. And what we love with this card is that you actually have expanded buying power, okay? This is really good. And the APR is kind of, here is a card that also gives you a 0% intro APR on purchases for 12 months for the date of account opening. So after that, your APR will vary from 13.24% to 21.24% based on your creditworthiness and other factors as determined at the time of account opening. This is important, and so there is no annual fee for additional employee for this card. Okay, and you also don't pay any extra fee for adding your employees. So this is really good. Okay. And number 1, in our view, folks, the best of the best, this is the Inc. Business Unlimited. Our score, 10/10. Here you have a new card member offer, $750 bonus cashback after you spend $7,500 on purchases in the first 3 months after account opening. And you can also earn unlimited 1.5% cashback rewards on every purchase made for your business with this no annual fee credit card. Okay, you have the APR. You have 0% intro APR for 12 months from account opening on purchases. After that, 13.24% to 19.24% variable APR. Fantastic. No annual fee, of course. So one thing you need to understand with this card is that you can redeem for cashback rewards. You can redeem for cashback, gift cards, travel, and more through the Chase Ultimate Rewards. This is the platform. Okay, you have employee cards at no additional cost. Okay, you can monitor and protect your business. You can explore additional business card rewards and benefits. So this is really good. So you have a constellation of benefits or rewards, and you can redeem rewards as cashback through travel. You can also redeem them through the Apple Ultimate Rewards Store, gift cards. Okay, and in terms of travel and purchase coverage, you benefit from auto rental, collision damage waiver, travel and emergency assistance services, roadside dispatch, purchase protection, extended warranty program. Okay, so the card is really cool. So 10/10 Inc. Business Unlimited. Let's have a quick conversation, folks, about rewards business card in general, folks. So what is a reward business credit card? So rewards business credit card can actually they offer either cashback, points, or miles for eligible purchases. So your rewards are calculated based on the rate per dollar spent. For example, many rewards business credit cards earn a flat rate, so this is a fixed amount or percentage back on each purchase. Other cards earn elevated rates on purchases in certain categories, so those are called tiers. Okay, and a certain type of cashback card involves rotating bonus categories in which a set of higher earning categories changes every quarter, and you must activate them. And a few business cards use a combination of flat rate, tiered categories, and rotating bonus categories. So when it comes to choosing the right business rewards card for you, you'll need to evaluate the issuer's rewards program, your spending habits, and the overall structure of the card, right? And also depends on the needs of your business. So if the card you choose doesn't match your spending habits or company's operating lifestyle, you risk missing out on opportunities to earn rewards and get maximum value. So this is things you need to think about. So what are the types of credit cards rewards programs for businesses? So there are three types of rewards credit card available: cashback, points, and miles. So cashback is great if you are looking for simplicity. Points are great if you are looking to maximize rewards. Okay, and miles are great if you are an airline loyalist. You travel a lot. Your business involves a lot of traveling. Okay, and you also need to think about the fact that cashback rewards program work in a certain way. Let me first explain that to you. So when you make an eligible purchase with a cashback credit card, you will receive a small percentage of your purchase back. The percentage you earn depends on the card. As mentioned earlier, you might earn the same rate of cashback on all purchases, or you might earn a higher rate on particular types of purchases. And when we talk about points rewards program, so with credit card, with business credit cards point systems, you are earning points instead of dollars. So because it's essentially a different currency, this makes understanding the value of your rewards a bit more complicated than cash back. Okay, and you also have a travel and miles program. So credit card miles work in a way similar to points, but they are associated mainly with business travel cards. As with points cards, you will earn a fixed amount of miles for every dollar your business spends, although the rate could be higher in some purchase categories. It's all about the category. So if you're using your miles to book a flight, you can typically redeem them by logging into your account during the booking process, and the same goes for booking a hotel. Some business travel cards offer the option of letting you transfer miles to the issuer's travel partners, which usually include airlines and hotels. So the big question is, how do you actually choose a business rewards credit card or a rewards business credit card? There are a few things you need to think about. You'll need to decide the type of credit card, the type of business credit card rewards program that you want, and you need to choose the issuer that offers that program. Okay, and the program must be in sync with your company's goals and spending habits, it's important. You want to consider the following situation. So if you primarily use your business credit card for everyday purchases like gas or office supplies, in some cases groceries for the business, without a large concentration of spending in any particular category, a flat rate business cashback card could be your best bet. And a tiered or rotating bonus category card could yield greater earnings, but will probably involve targeted spending on your part. So a miles earning business credit card lends itself to those who would like rewards to offset some of the cost of the frequent flights, especially if your business is involved in a lot of flights. Okay, so your options include general travel business cards or co-branded business cards that reward you for loyalty to a particular airline or hotel brand. And a points business credit card could provide you with flexible redemption options that you can apply to travel purchases or redeem as cashback. So with this type of business credit card, you'll probably need to pay attention to variations in value among your redemption options. So this is important. So the bottom line is that you want to research interest rates, you want to research annual fees, and you want to research sign-up bonuses. Luckily for you, in today's conversation, all the cards that I spoke about do not have annual fees, and they do have massive rewards, and they also have decent APRs. So at the end of the day, if you have interest rates, annual fees, and sign-up bonuses, those factors can affect the card's overall value and determine how much the business rewards you will earn will be worth. So it's all about doing the research upfront and knowing exactly what works for your business. Before I close today's conversation, please check out the short credit card evaluation approach video. We do have a strong methodology on this show when it comes to reviewing, categorizing, and listing credit cards. And check this out. All right, folks, here are the top 10 business credit cards with insane rewards, no annual fee, and a decent APR. Number 1, we have the Inc. Business Unlimited, 10 over 10. Number 2, we have the American Express Blue Business Plus, 9.5 over 10. Number 3, we have the PNC Cash Rewards Visa Signature Business, 9.5 over 10. Number 4, we have the Wells Fargo Business Platinum, 9 over 10. Number 5, we have the Brex 30 Card, 9 over 10. Number 6, we have the US Bank Triple Cash Rewards Visa Business Card, 8.5 over 10. Number 7, we have the Capital One Spark 1.5% Cash Select, 8.5 over 10. Number 8, we have Truist Business Card, 8 over 10. Number 9, we have the TD Business Solutions Credit Card, 8 over 10. And number 10, last but not the least, we have the KeyBank Business Card, our score, 7.5 over 10. Thank you so much for your attention, folks. I will speak to you another time, but until then, remember, stay marvelous.